Hello everyone, today I have FITSNACK. This is a healthy snack subscription, has the world's healthiest and tastiest snacks, and you also get a workout and nutrition tips. I paid $28 for this subscription that has 10 products that come in it. So $28 for 10 healthy snacks. And let's go ahead and get inside. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. Looks like there's a card on side. This is my first time receiving this. So this just has a little information on maybe some tips on working out. And then looks like this is probably going to tell us what's inside the box. And then on the back, welcome to this month of Better For You snacking suited for any adventure. Your snacks have been handpicked by our nutritionist to ensure healthier options with high quality ingredients. I think there is a little profile that you may fill out with this as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the products. So the first one is the jerky, and it says it's all natural, gluten-free, no preservatives, no MSG, no high fructose corn syrup. Serving size is 260 calories, and the carbs are 6 grams. Okay, so I don't eat meat, but I know someone who is absolutely going to love this, because I mean, if you look at this package, from here to here, this is full, and it's soft, so it's probably very tasty. Okay, and then the next one, Simply Gorgeous Coffee. Okay, let's open that up, see what we got in there for coffee. Okay, it's got 4 little pods and a little card that looks like you can get a discount. So if anyone is familiar with this coffee and they want to get a discount, this is 50% off. I won't be using it, so feel free to do that. And then here are the pods. I don't know too much about each one, so we'll just go ahead and show you. There's 2, and then there's 2 more. One's a decaf. Okay, got those. And then looks like there's 2 of this one. So this is Superfood Unsweetened Ancient Grain and Seed. Oh, it's instant oatmeal. Okay, and it's a 1.7 ounce size, 200 calories, and 32 carbs. And there's 2. So we got 2 of that. Okay, and the same thing with this one. I have 2 of them. So this is Craze Guava Toasted Corn Crisps. Excuse me. 1 ounce package. 110 calories, serves 1, and the carbs are 22. And then on the back, it just has a little information, you know, what you can do to eat those. Okay, and then this one is alone. There's only one. Has 12 grams of protein and 3 grams of net carb. That one, and it looks like it's a crispy cheddar cheese and almond snack mix, and it's a 1.48 ounce. Okay, and 5 grams of carbs it says here, but the package says 3 grams of net carb. Okay, and this one. Okay, so this is a peanut butter and chocolate soft and chewy organic snack. It has real peanut butter, good source of fiber, organic whole grain, and it's a 1.2 ounce. Says it has 130 calories. Okay, so there's 2 of that one as well. And then this one's in a double chocolate, and there's 2 of that one as well. So my 10 snacks would be these 2, these 2 for 4, these oatmeals for 6, and the cracker snack for 8, the almond and cheddar for 9, and then this for 10. And then this right here just must have been added, you know, as a bonus, a little sample. So I think it's a nice subscription. I'm excited to try to snack on some of these products. So that is it for my FITSNACK subscription. And I will link all the information below if anyone's interested in checking it out. And that's about it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in my next video.